Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. The contents of today's lesson are: today we will understand what is picture composition. We will also do an example of picture composition together. Let's see what is picture composition. Picture composition is a writing skill. It helps the students to observe, to analyze, to use their creativity and imagination. It also helps in their vocabulary building. Basically, it is a type of story writing where the students they observe a picture and they compose a story revolving it. Now, picture composition has two elements. The first is the picture. You will need a picture for it. When you will have a picture, then you are going to compose a paragraph about it. It will have your ideas. Those ideas will be written in the form of sentences, in a paragraph, in logical order, and you will also try to find a message in that picture. Let's learn picture composition through these strategies, step by step. Step 1 is to observe the picture. Step 2 is mind mapping or brainstorming. Step 3, discussion of the possible events. Step 4, ideas developed into sentences, that is guided writing with support. Step 5, helping students to use present form of the verb and adjectives. And the last step is to make one paragraph about the picture. Let's see these steps in detail now. Step 1 is that when you have a picture, you are going to observe it for at least 10 minutes. Then step 2 is that in your mind, you're going to think about it. Who are the characters in the picture? Try to find their names. Can you guess their names? Then where is the action taking place? What is the action taking place? And what are the characters doing? And what time is it? Is it morning, evening, nighttime? And what feelings and emotions are visible on the characters' faces? These are the things which you're going to think about when you have a picture in front of you. Then in step 3, you're going to have a discussion of the possible events to see the background of the picture, what is happening, what happened before it, or what is going to happen after it. What are the thoughts of the character? What are they thinking about? Step 4 is that when you have thought about your ideas, you're going to develop those ideas into sentences, into simple composed sentences. Remember, when you're going to make these sentences about the picture, you're going to start them with a capital letter and end it with a full stop. Like finding the answers of the mind mapping, like the questions which you have in your mind, that who are the characters in the story. Let's suppose you think of a name like Ali. There's Ali in the story, in the picture, Ali and his grandfather. Where are they? They are in a garden. What are they doing? Now, both characters are doing different things. Grandfather is watering the plants, and Ali is sitting on the stairs. So, what time is it? When is this happening? And you can see as that it's a bright picture and it is definitely morning time. So in the morning, they are doing these things in the garden area. And what emotions can you see on their faces? Are they sad, happy, or they feel like sharing something? You can write anything about them. And what happened? Like, how are they feeling? Is it quite hot? Are they tired? Do they want to do something after this? Step 5 is that you're going to use the present form of verbs with the helping verbs is, am, are, and you're going to use adjectives to describe the nouns, to describe their feelings. Remember that adjectives also include numbers and colors. The students should be provided with a word bank related to the picture, like running, looking happy, sad, my friend is, beautiful flowers, sad face. There can be any other words in the word bank. This word bank, this vocabulary will help the students to compose their sentences. The last step is that you have to create a story. You will have a starting sentence, like it is a bright sunny day or in the morning, and then you will write your ideas in the form of sentences about the picture. Now let's do a picture composition together by using the steps which we have just learned. We have the same picture here, the picture of a garden area or a lawn. First, you're going to look at the picture for at least 5 minutes. You're going to notice all the details and observe very carefully. Who is there? Can you name them? Grandfather and Ali, what are they doing? Grandfather is watering the plants, Ali is sitting. How are they feeling? Sad or happy? What are they going to do? And what else you can see in the picture in the background? There's a green tree, there are flowers, there are different vegetables which are planted there in the garden area. There's a pumpkin also. You can see some tomatoes, radishes. So carrots also are visible. So you can mention all these things. Now creating story based on the picture. Remember that you have to think about the thoughts of the characters and you have to compose a story. You're not just going to describe it, you're going to write about the characters in detail. What are they thinking and what might have happened before this and what is going to happen after it also. So, this is just a sample. Ali and his grandfather are in the garden. Ali is sitting, grandfather is watering the plants. Ali is looking sad. Now, from the expression on his face, you have to think, you have to imagine that why is he sad? You must know, you must think of a reason that why is he sad? I think he's missing his school as it is closed. He wants to tell his grandfather about his friends. Maybe he's missing his friends. He is missing them. Grandfather is busy with his pretty flowers. He is not noticing that Ali is sad. He's busy in his work. It is a sad day for Ali in a beautiful garden. I think he is not going to tell anything to his father, to his grandfather. I also feel sad. So, this is how you're going to compose a story, a simple short story about a picture. You have to use your imagination, your creativity, and you have to think that what are the thoughts going in the mind of the characters and what is the background of this story. You can write about a different scenario altogether. Maybe Ali is sad because he wants to water the plants, but his grandfather is not allowing him to do that. This can be a reason for his sadness also. So it can be written in any way, and or it can be based on any idea which comes to your mind. That is all for today. I hope that you have understood how to compose a picture composition. I advise you to practice it every day. Find pictures in your English books and then compose your ideas and write them down in simple sentences. Thank you so much.